Lucknow Super Giants missing Mayank Yadav, Akashdeep, Avesh Khan still not there, and in that first Muslim Khan not part of the season. You've lost the first game which you should have won, almost by the skin of the teeth. You're going to Hyderabad, people saying we will smash you for 300 runs. You've got a young bowling attack. All of a sudden, Zahir Khan from the back end of the backcourt delivers with his team a performance that takes the finalists down. How does a Zahir Khan do that? What was the leadership talk? What was the behind the scenes that you were able to do that?
Well, there are a few aspects to this. I feel that it starts from the auction planning. And when we set the team up for the season, we looked at our squad being 24 people who will be able to make the impact in the season as and when required. When you're looking at your squad like that, when you're looking at your team like that, each and every member of that team is valuable and important. So when we had the challenges around the injuries, we basically as a leadership group, and that's where I'm very proud of my team because the experienced players in our setup, they were actually very clear that we're going to focus on what's in our hand. We're going to work with whatever we have, not really talking about what we don't have. And I think that's the most important aspect. If you focus on the positives, if you focus on what you've got and how to get the best out of that, that's when you start seeing results because you are focusing on the right things. So that's the way we collectively decided, and that's something which you're going to see right throughout the season. Process is something which matters to this team, and how to find a way of winning a game of cricket every time you're out there is something which everyone is clear about. So it's about the guys who are taking the field, knowing that they've got the freedom of making the decisions for the team, for themselves, to give ourselves the best chance of finding the right way of producing the result, and that's something which I'm very proud of the whole squad.
I think what's exciting for me is to see that the determination, the hunger for success, and the opportunity. You can make out that if I have to just kind of put things into perspective, 2008 when I started, you thought, let's go back to Nairobi, when I made my debut, we had just one physio there, right? IPL coming in and the setup which I was talking about becoming more and more professional. You have now the side armors which has been introduced. You have the support bowlers which are traveling with the team. You have maybe 2 or 3 masters traveling, 2 or 3 physios traveling, trainers traveling. So that's the growth of cricket which you're talking about, and that's the level of support which you're talking about. So 2008 IPL started. I think there were about 600, 800 players being registered, and you're talking about the last auction, mega auction, about 1600 players being registered. And that's the story you're talking about, So I feel that the talent which used to maybe move away from the game because there were limited opportunities is now not going anywhere. In fact, more numbers are getting added to having that dream of being part of any of the franchises, which is going to fast track their journey of playing for the national team. And you could feel that. You could feel every time you go in the dressing room with all these uncapped players coming through. They're just so eager to have conversations with Nicky P, with Rishabh, with any of the senior players who played at the international level, and just to fast track their team, just to absorb the knowledge and then work on it in the off season if need be. Take your game to the next level. All those factors are so promising for Indian cricket to continue to dominate as they move along. And I think that's something which gives me a lot of fulfillment when I work with them, to provide them that platform, to provide them those experiences, share my experiences, and provide them that knowledge which is going to take their game higher.